All right, next up we've got Brandon here is going to crack open a Super Break Bars and Buybacks Football Edition. Appreciate it, man. Good luck to you. What we got here? The bar is, get it out, Amari Cooper. Got a piece of a NFL ball on it there. Commissioner Goodell. So that autograph's taken from Playbook. Great, is a 10 on that. And the card. We got is a Christian McCaffrey, and this is 3 of 5. Preferred. Rookie Penmanship Emerald. Christian McCaffrey. Alright, buddy, and there's the back of the McCaffrey. I appreciate it, man. If I can get you anything else, just holler at me. Get it all packed up along with the other Super Break stuff.